You can make a difference in the climate movement. It doesn't matter how small your business is, your position, or your influence, your voice matters. Bicycling to work, taking public transportation, healthier and more affordable food, low-cost housing. These all sound wonderful, don't they? And the reality is they are all within your reach. Living a low-carbon lifestyle can bring us these benefits and more. But the movement is missing one key person, and that's you as the marketer and the creative. So what is your part to play? Let's dig into this in our next video. What is a low-carbon lifestyle? A low-carbon lifestyle is built upon low-carbon ways of living that are healthier, better for the environment, and also your personal well-being. These ways of living can make you happier, they can make you more fulfilled. They also respect the usage of natural resources. Basically, you're not taking more than what the earth can provide. Wow, this all sounds great, but what does it actually look like? It looks things like having safer roads and being able to bicycle to work. It means having healthier food and access to healthier food that is more local and also better for your family. All of this is part of living a low carbon lifestyle, and it's all within your grasp. So what would you add? What is a low carbon lifestyle to you? Liking this video as a climate communicator and sustainable marketer, and awareness to the marketing as a force for good movement, and helping you step into the eco-marketer role. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on these topics. But we have a huge problem. As much as the low carbon lifestyle sounds really cool and engaging, a lot of people don't know what it is, and they don't know what the benefits would be for them. They don't know how to harness and communicate that, hey, we're living this, let's tell our friends in our community about it and encourage them to live a low carbon lifestyle too. This is really where marketers and communicators can step up and help. Put the eco-marketer hat on and let's dig into it. 55% of US and UK citizens were surveyed, and they believe that making changes for the climate could also improve and benefit their lives. Marketers are experts on our buyer persona. We understand the audience that we're engaging with, and we're looking for them to make a sell for our product or our service. As a climate communicator, your persona is likely really interested and engaged in the topic of climate change and also how it's impacting their community specifically. You understand what makes them happy, you understand what makes them angry, and you also understand where they are on the spectrum of their climate journey. So why don't you harness that knowledge and use it as a force for good within the context of marketing and climate communication? You can encourage low carbon lifestyles in your marketing campaigns, and you can use a great tool called the low carbon lifestyle wheel to help engage those people. Behavioral change has a very important part to play when we talk about sustainable marketing and accelerating climate action. Use your marketing campaigns, the creative elements and the narratives to push important low carbon lifestyle pieces that will overall help us in what we're trying to achieve as a society related to climate change. We want to encourage positive behaviors that also support this idea of a low carbon lifestyle. We're not taking more than what the earth can provide to us. The reality is most people are living in the value action gap. They realize the importance of climate change and they want to make active changes, but they don't know what type of lifestyle changes that they can make for the environment. And they really don't know the pathways on how to get there. So this value action gap is really a barrier for a lot of people. So you can use your creative marketing skills to start bridging that gap. You can brainstorm methods that are new, innovative, and creative to bring people to the point of where they are transferring their interest in making a difference to actually tangible action. I truly believe through the power of creativity that all possibilities are truly possible. So in research done by Futura, they developed this low carbon wheel, this low idea of a low carbon lifestyle and how we can transfer that into marketing campaigns. So here are some 3 tips and ideas on how you can start doing that and using this tool. So number 1, make your campaigns actionable. In your campaign, Through your messaging, move people from point A to point B with an actionable pinpoint behavior. Instead of just educating and lighting them on the problem, offer them easy and approachable solutions to start incorporating low carbon lifestyle choices right away. Don't tell them what they need to achieve, but tell them how they can achieve it and how they can start making action and what that would even look like. Help them visualize that the prosperity and the goodness of what a low carbon lifestyle would look like. Number 2, make it easier. We don't want people and citizens to go through hoops and barriers to start making changes in their life for the environment. To be honest, they're not going to do it. If it's too difficult, they have their busy lives, they're going to be doing other things. So we want to make it easy on them. Give options that are tailored to a specific group of people, a specific audience. We're great at this as marketers. Let's do that within the context of sustainable marketing and low carbon lifestyles. Again, use your marketing skills and your creative talent to really make your campaigns easy to take action from. And number 3, make sure that you acknowledge the limitations that currently exist in our society. We live in an imperfect world, so we can't be perfect, sustainable people. It's just not possible. And it's also not achievable for every person. People and families come from different backgrounds and different incomes in different countries. A low carbon lifestyle might not look the same from one person to the next. We face huge psychological and societal barriers that are preventing us from achieving, let's say, the ultimate low carbon lifestyle. As a marketer, you need to understand this and acknowledge it as part of your campaign. Understand your audience and understand who they are so that they don't feel like they'll be left behind. So what is your action point after this video? Go and read this great research that was done by an agency in the UK about the low carbon lifestyle wheel and how you can start incorporating those into your everyday marketing campaign. The wheel offers overarching behavioral change for specific topics with actionable suggestions that people can start incorporating in their campaigns right away. So ask yourself as you step away from this video, how can marketing start incorporating low carbon lifestyle choices into their marketing campaigns? How can you create marketing messaging that is better aligned with people on the planet and start using that from a day-to-day basis? These are questions that I ask myself every single day, and I'm still working on it, but I hope this video inspired you and it put you on the right track, and hopefully you can start trying it yourself. If all you do is go read that research, that's a great step too. So I hope you join the Marketing as a Force for Good movement, and make sure to tune back in for more videos like this. Until next time,